So this is an experiment, right? I'm starting landscape and I'm gonna move it portrait. I'm wondering what this does on your phone. It doesn't matter. Like, people can see like a little 1 by 1 inch square thing. People can see like a little postage stamp size thing. Guys, look at this fucking car. I'm proud to say this guy's my neighbor. Like one of my neighbors. This fucking guy. So I feel like scum, like shit. Like my fucking shoes, like they got holes in them. Yo, this is like a Testarossa or some fucking thing. This is the real fucking deal. This car is like 200 or 300 grand all in, right? And so, like, I live down the street, around the corner, down another street. This kind of bullshit, right? Yo, nice car, Ferrari. Yo, internet marketer. Yo, throw me some fucking links. This guy, he has to be a goddamn internet marketer. But for the fact that those guys like Lambos. So this is a great, of course, as it would be, opportunity to talk about internet marketing. You got to be an internet marketer because you're already in marketing, because you are a brand. You're already a sales guy because every time you open your fucking mouth, guys, get out of your goddamn head that sales is anything but service. Sales is anything but smiles. Like this tool over there. One time I threw a fucking apple into like his lawn. This fucking guy starts shouting at me, "Hey!" Right? This kind of bullshit. Goddamn idiot. You got all kinds of neighbors, right? You got all kinds of fucking neighbors. Anyway, that fucking car over there, right? So this is like Markham. Ferrari is not internet marketer. For some reason, like these guys figured out that, well, it was Alex Becker. Now that I'm talking about it, you want to learn about crypto? Alex Becker. Rather, you know about crypto and NFTs and you want to invest? Alex Becker. He's doing $2 million a month right now. You'll be like, blah, blah, blah. He runs fucking companies, real ones, software companies. He used to sell courses like ages ago, 10 years ago. I bought a course from this guy, Market Hero, Alex Becker. He's on WhatsApp trying to talk to me. I'm like, get the fuck out of here. Are you joking? Are you really Alex? I'm like, bro, listen, I'm not going to chat with you because I feel bad about what you should be doing and could be fucking doing right now instead of talking to this guy. I got his goddamn number. It's a 425 number. Shoot me a comment. I will send it to you. Zaidiboy. Google me. Zaidi boy. Zaidiboy. Right? So, nice neighborhood, all kinds of cars. Now, you see a little shitbox like this. You shouldn't think, well, yo, how does he live on the same goddamn street as the fucking Testarossa? This is Canada, guys. These kinds of questions are for other fucking countries. Guys, internet marketing is like this. You need to make offers. In order to make offers, like, let's put it this way. Sales is making an offer. Marketing is making multiple fucking offers. You need to make offers, right? Offers. What kind of fucking offers? I don't know. You go to one website. You get a free PDF. You go to some group on Facebook. You're like, I got a free PDF. You shoot it out there. You see who bites. Then you make some fucking mental notes. Then you go out there. You're doing this as a side hustle. You go to some other fucking website because what you're trying to do is constantly do two fucking things. Okay, you're trying to refine your offer. You're trying to reach more people, right? Sooner or later, they're going to kick you out of this Facebook group. They're going to be like, this fucking pendejo. The guy might like jump on you right away. Like the administrator, I get pissed off sometimes when they do that because I never self-promote in a fucking Facebook group. Guys, never self-promote in a fucking Facebook group, okay? If you want to ride a truck like this guy and you want to be a successful internet marketer, you don't burn your fucking bridges on the way in. You burn these fuckers on the way out. You understand? Like when they're kicking you out and you got a final comment, like the guy says, please stop this and this. Rather, put it this way. I made some videos about the Hillman group. This is not one of those videos. I forgot to tell these guys. Rather, I got cut off or I got distracted. Yo, like these guys didn't fire me. I pushed it to that point. The guy comes and he's like, yo, my boss and his boss, the usual bullshit. I'm wired and fired and tired and hired and now getting fired. Right, so I say to these guys like, yo, what's the deal? 'Cause that's what pissed me off. They just show up and like my work was perfect. My orders are perfect. My forklift driving is perfect. Yo, in the corner somewhere out of sight, I made a couple of mistakes. So this guy shows up, Dwayne. Okay, and he's like, blah, blah, blah. And Patrick, it's the usual bullshit. It's actually like this. The boss's boss is talking to me, and my boss is standing off to the side. My fucking boss is like, he's like now like a silent witness to this goddamn thing. And he's the guy who started it. Dwayne, I don't mind it, buddy. I know you're probably watching these videos now because you realize I don't fucking hate you at all. You did your goddamn job and you're doing your job and you're a damn family man. What the fuck kind of problem could I have with a guy like that? Right? What kind of goddamn problem would I have with a guy who's trying to feed his fucking kids, eh? I'm swearing because I don't have any goddamn kids. My wife and I wanted kids, Dwayne, if you're really listening to this. And then we couldn't have kids. All right, so now what? No fucking kids, no fucking luck, right? So now, anyway, I got a basketball here. Just in time to show you that my goddamn landlord, he's all over this fucking thing. The basketball hoop was gonna fall down. Yo, this man came single-handedly and pulled this fucking thing out of the ground or some fucking thing. And now it's lying in the backyard, side yard. Yo, so what are you gonna do now? Like, this is called, okay. Timing is everything, right, guys? Woody Allen says this. He's like, showing up is 80%. Now, as a marketer, I gotta say, the rest of it is presentation, how you look. You don't have to say shit, by the way. You show up looking like some fucking guy who knows what the time is, and he's early, what's gonna happen? Like, you don't have to say shit. People are gonna talk to you. You're just sitting there on your phone or just making some notes. I really urge you, I forgot my pen today, guys, in my haste to get the fuck out of the house. Yo, I urge you to write every day. I urge you to think about putting out offers. You go to a Facebook group. Let's say you're interested in goddamn, what is this goddamn thing? Okay, so guys, you can make money in health and fitness. You can make money in like the niche of making money online. Just don't be an idiot about it. You join a Facebook group and suddenly you're trying to sell some fucking pills to some guy. Like, do it in a meeting room, like a private fucking message. Now, on the other hand, if you're putting out a post that everyone can see, like, why are you going to test this thing? Are you stupid? Like, you're going to be like, oh, shotgun approach versus rifle approach? How about don't be a damn tool, right? So you go to this group, a weightlifting group, okay, because you are a weightlifter. You don't start selling shit. You've heard all this before. It works. You say, well, guys, here's some nice fucking dips or trips or slips or some fucking thing like this. And then next week you're like this and that. Now, the people who talk to you, you filter these guys out, right? You filter these fucking guys out. How does that work? Yo, you might say, like, don't just say DM me to everyone if you're interested. This is called you're pitching the group. You gotta be like this guy who basically, yo, so the marketer throws out the seeds, right? And the sales guy, he comes along and he's like, fuck, I got a goddamn basketball. And now I don't even have a goddamn basket, man. So be nice to your mom. I urge you to exercise every day. I urge you to pray/meditate every day. Speak it into being, write it, and you own it. I urge you to read every day. I urge you not to look like Tim Burton every day. You may not believe in God, but do you believe in good? Every day.